Have you ever wondered how you can earn money online? In our interconnected digital world, the possibilities of online earnings are virtually endless. We're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes or questionable practices. We're talking about legitimate ways to add to your income stream from the comfort of your home. From freelance work in various fields like writing, graphic design, or coding, to selling products or services, the internet has transformed the way we work and earn. You can also earn by participating in online surveys, testing products, or sharing your opinion on different platforms. The beauty of it all? You get to choose what suits your interests and skills best. But today, we're going to delve into a specific platform that has gained popularity among online earners worldwide. A platform that not only allows you to earn but also to learn and engage in a community. One of the most popular platforms to earn money online is Toluna. But what is Toluna? Toluna is a leading digital market research company. But it's more than that. It's a platform that connects brands with consumers, allowing the voice of the everyday individual to be heard. It's an avenue for people like you and me to have a say in the products and services that shape our world. Now you might be asking, what exactly is Toluna? Well, let's break it down. Toluna is a global online community where individuals can express their opinions through various activities such as surveys, polls, and discussions. It's a space where your viewpoint matters, and your voice can influence the decisions of big brands across diverse industries. But here's where it gets interesting. Toluna is not just about helping brands understand consumer preferences, it's about rewarding you for your valuable insights. That's right, you earn while you share your opinions. It's a win-win situation. Your thoughts help shape the market, and you get rewarded for your time and input. So, how does Toluna's business model work? It's pretty simple. Brands pay Toluna for consumer insights. Toluna in turn shares a portion of that income with its community members, that's you, for participating in their activities. This allows Toluna to provide a steady stream of surveys and other opportunities for its members to earn rewards. The rewards you can earn on Toluna come in the form of points. These points can be redeemed for various rewards such as gift cards, sweepstakes entries, or even cash. The more active you are on the platform, the more opportunities you have to earn points. It's like a continuous cycle of sharing, earning, and enjoying rewards. So you see, Toluna is more than just a market research company. It's an opportunity for you to make your voice heard, to influence the products and services you use, and to earn rewards while doing so. It's a platform that values your opinion and recognizes your contribution to shaping the world of consumer products. So you're probably wondering, how do I earn from Toluna? Well, stay tuned as we delve into the specifics of making money on Toluna in our next segment. Let's explore this exciting world of online earning together. To start earning, you first need to become a member of Toluna. Now you might be wondering, how does one do that? It's actually quite simple. Let me guide you through it. First, head over to Toluna's homepage. There you'll find a Join Now button. Give it a click. You'll be directed to a registration page where you're required to fill in some basic information. Remember, honesty is the key here. Accurate information means more suitable surveys for you, which means more earnings. You'll be asked to fill in details like your name, date of birth, gender, and email. Once you've filled in the information, hit Sign Up. A verification email will be sent to your inbox. Open it up, click on the verification link, and voila! You're a registered member of Toluna. Remember, this entire process is free. Absolutely no charges, no hidden fees. Once you've registered, you're ready to start earning. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive in. On Toluna, it's all about earning points. It's like a game where your participation and engagement are rewarded. Here, your voice matters and it's valued in the form of points. So how can you start collecting these points? Let's dive into it. First and foremost, taking part in surveys is the main way to earn points on Toluna. These surveys are designed by brands and marketers who are eager to understand consumer preferences, and your input helps shape future products and services. For every survey you complete, you'll earn points. The lengthier the survey, the more points you'll be rewarded. But that's not the only way. On Toluna, you're not just a survey taker, you're a content creator too. Yes, you heard it right. You can create your own polls or topics for discussion within the community. And guess what? You'll be rewarded with points for your creative efforts. It's a great way to engage with the community while racking up points. Speaking of community engagement, the more you interact, the more you earn. Commenting on other users' posts, voting in their polls, and generally being an active member of the community will earn you additional points. It's a win-win situation. You get to voice your opinions and get rewarded for it. Now you're probably wondering, what do these points mean in terms of earnings? Well, it's simple. The The points you earn can be converted into cash, gift cards, or other exciting rewards. The more points you accumulate, the higher your earnings. It's like a virtual currency that you earn by being active and engaged on the platform. But remember, the key to earning points on Toluna is consistency. Regular participation in surveys, frequent content creation, and daily community engagement will help you build a steady stream of points and, in turn, earnings. After you've earned points, the next step is to redeem them. But that's a topic for another scene. For now, let's focus on the points game. And remember, every point you earn on Toluna brings you one step closer to your next reward. Redeeming points on Toluna is easy and straightforward. As with any other platform, the ultimate goal is to turn those hard-earned points into tangible rewards. So let's dive right into the process of redeeming points on Toluna. Once you've accumulated a sufficient amount of points, usually a minimum of 30,000, you can start to think about redeeming them. The process is quite simple. You navigate to your account page, find the section titled Rewards, and this is where the magic happens. There are multiple options you can choose from when it comes to redeeming your points. The most popular one, understandably, is cash. Who doesn't love a little extra green in their pockets? To opt for this, you'll select the PayPal Cash Payout option. After confirming your PayPal account, the cash equivalent of your points will be transferred over. It's as simple as that. But wait, there's more. If cash isn't your preferred choice, Toluna offers a range of vouchers to choose from. These vouchers are for a variety of popular online and physical stores. Whether you're a fan of Amazon, a Starbucks addict, or a frequent flyer with a particular airline, there's likely to be a voucher that suits your needs. Redeeming these vouchers is just as simple as the cash payout. You select the voucher of your choice, confirm your selection, and voila! You'll receive an email with your voucher code to use at your convenience. It's important to note that the conversion rate of points to cash or vouchers can vary. Keep an eye on the current conversion rates to ensure you're getting the best value for your points. And there you have it. Toluna not only offers an easy way to earn points, but also a straightforward and flexible way to redeem them. So whether you're saving for that special something or just looking to treat yourself, Toluna points can help you get there. And that's how you turn your points into earnings. Now go forth, earn, redeem, and most importantly, enjoy the fruits of your online endeavors. To maximize your earnings on Toluna, there are a few tips you should keep in mind. First off, consistency is key. Regular participation is rewarded, so make sure to log in often and complete as many surveys as you can. This not only increases your points but also improves your chances of receiving more lucrative survey opportunities. Secondly, don't underestimate the power of community engagement. Toluna is a platform that thrives on user interaction. Engage in discussions, create polls, and comment on posts. Your active participation can lead to additional points, enhancing your overall earning potential. Also, remember to keep your profile updated. Your personal details help Toluna match you with relevant surveys. The more accurate your profile, the better the match, the more the surveys, the higher your earnings. Lastly, patience is a virtue. Earning substantial points might take some time, but remember, every point counts. With these tips, you can maximize your earnings on Toluna. Earning money online from Toluna is a straightforward process. As we wind down on our enlightening journey today, let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've discussed. We started off by understanding the basics of Toluna, the globally recognized platform that empowers you to earn with ease. We then moved on to the registration process, a simple and user-friendly experience that paves the way to your online earning journey. Next, we delved into the heart of the matter, earning points on Toluna. We explored the various tasks you can participate in to accumulate points, which are the stepping stones to your online earnings. And of course, we didn't forget the most exciting part, redeeming your hard-earned points. We walked you through the rewarding process of converting your points into actual earnings. And to ensure your journey is smooth sailing, we shared some valuable tips and best practices. Remember, with Toluna, earning money online is not just possible but also fun and engaging. So, why not start today?